Happy New Year's Day. Just woke up, think it's the 1st. I don't really know, 'cause I got a little shit-faced last night. Went overboard with the champagne and the Jack Daniels, and I got the order all wrong. I thought it meant, liquor is quicker, but beer is for queers. And so I went for beer for the queers first and then liquor, but it's really liquor before beer. You're in the clear, and beer before liquor. Never been sicker, so I think I did it wrong, so I just woke up. It could be January 1st, could be January 5th, could be fucking February 1st for all I know. Could be Valentine's Day, but the tree's still up. So, Happy New Year's, either way. It's good. I went boating yesterday, took out the rest of my wives, went fishing in Kona Bay with Scott Peterson, got some of my coffee on, and went and rented a scooter and burnt the shit out of my legs because I went zipping around those shells, guys. So alright, next video I'll be making is, when's the next holiday? VD Day, Venereal Disease Day, February 14th? 14th. Alright guys, I gotta go, gotta get my condoms for VD Day.